Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a DIY bun that I spiced up with a little braid on the top. Start with brushing all your hair and then use some hair gel if necessary. I have many flyaways, so I prefer to do it. Take the front section, just a small part. Split this into 3 more or less equal strands and bring the left under the middle, then the right under the middle. Grab the left and between thumb and your index finger you add in some new hair, and then you do the same thing on the right hand side. Again, bring the right under the middle, add in some hair from the left hand side, bring the bring the right under and add in hair from the right side. Do this until you have more or less all your crown hair grabbed together into the braid. This does not have to be very neat. Just braid until where you want your bun to be. That is for me the end of the crown, and then take small elastic and tie the braid together. I will show you 3 different versions how to wear this braid. Here I'm taking some hairspray, and you can go like this if you want it, or you now start to pancake and make the braid wider. Pull gently the outer edges and you will reach the double of volume for the same braid. Now I'm taking the side hair, brush through, that is the portion that I have right over my ears, and I join it to the little ponytail. Take another clear elastic and tie braid and the side hair together. This is an easy way and especially very quick. It takes about 5 minutes to wear it as a half-up style. When it's warm or when I go and have sports like ballet dancing, then I like to wear a bun. So I'm doing with the whole ponytail now, where I added the rest of the hair that was down, a rope twist braid by twisting one strand to the right and then bringing it over to the left until the end. It does not matter if you have some ends sticking out, we will hide them into the bun and then wrap it around the base from the ponytail and clip everything in place. And this is the final result. This style took me about 7 minutes, so it's quick to do and it will last the whole day. I hope you like it, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you, bye bye.